Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Peak Point Study. Today we will discuss about bar chart, which is the second type of writing task 1 in IELTS academic. So let's start it. Before starting, understand these things. First, it is common in the IELTS writing paper to be asked to describe bar graph. Bar graph, also known as bar charts, are similar to line graphs in that they have two axes and are useful for showing how something has changed over a given period of time, especially when there are significant changes. Bar graph consists of rectangular bars which can be oriented horizontally or vertically, with the lengths proportional to the data values that they represent. They are typically used for comparing two or more values. Okay, so let's start it. And today's task is the graph below shows female unemployment rate in each country of the United Kingdom in 2013 and 2014. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparison where relevant. Okay, so let's start to describe it. As you can see, we have four countries: England, Wales, Scotland, and Northern Ireland. Okay, and our introduction is the bar chart shows the unemployment rates among women in the countries that make the United Kingdom, both in 2013 and in 2014. There has generally been a small decrease in female unemployment rates from 2013 to 2014, except in Scotland. Okay, it's our introduction. Let's move on overall. And the overall, it can be clearly seen that there has generally been a small decrease in female unemployment rates from 2013 to 2014, except in Scotland. Okay, that's our overall. And now we are moving to our paragraph 1. In 2013, 5.6% of women in Northern Ireland were unemployed. The only country with a smaller percentage of women unemployed was Wales, with a rate of 5.4%. Both countries saw a decrease in percentage of unemployed women in 2014. In Northern Ireland, the percentage fell to 4.6 and in Wales it fell to 5%. We describe two countries in the first paragraph, and in the next paragraph we are going to describe the another countries. Okay, England had the greatest percentage of unemployed women in 2013 with 6.8%. However, this decreased by 0.3% in 2014. Lastly, Scotland was the only country which had an increasing percentage of unemployed women in 2013. It had to 6.1% of women out of work. This increased to 6.7% in 2014, making it the country with the highest female unemployment rate of the four countries. Now we complete our whole bar chart in this paragraph. Okay, I'm going to tell you vocabulary connectors that we use in this chart. And now you can see we are use simple sentences in this chart. It is about 6-band bar chart if you write in your exam in this way. Okay. The vocabulary is small, decrease, accept, fell, out of work, increased, highest, unemployment rate. These are vocabulary words and the connector are however, lastly, both countries. These are connector which we use in our graph.